Most T protocols fail. Why? They treat it like one number. It's not. Your dopamine, your cortisol, your free T, they all talk to each other. This protocol optimizes the entire system. The results? Total T between 550 and 800, free T up 35 to 50%, and your cortisol ratio dialed in, all within 8 to 12 weeks. All right, in the next few minutes, you're going to learn the 3 core phases. We'll break down the dopamine-Androgen axis. That's huge. You'll get the exact clinical supplement stack, learn how to manage cortisol, and use real-time tracking so you know exactly when you've hit optimal. So let's get right into it. Why do most protocols just fail? It's simple. They're tracking the wrong numbers. Think of it like this. Total T, that's your net worth on paper. Looks impressive, right? But free T, that's cash in hand. It's the only number that actually drives results. It's the only one that matters. So what's stopping you from using that cash? This thing called SHBG. We call them testosterone handcuffs. It's a protein that literally locks up your T, making it totally useless to your body. And here's the real kicker. Cortisol, the hormone that eats your T. When you're chronically stressed, your cortisol goes up. And what does cortisol do? It quietly tells your body to make more of those testosterone handcuffs. Wait, hold on. So you're saying my stress is literally handcuffing my T?
That's exactly it. This isn't some fluffy manage your stress advice. It's a hard and fast biochemical strategy.
Okay, but let's be real. This isn't just about tweaking numbers on a lab report. It's about how you feel. And that all comes down to the brain-hormone connection. This is the dopamine-androgen axis. It's the brain hormone cycle that makes you feel alive. When your T is optimized, your brain's dopamine receptors get more sensitive. That's what brings back your drive, your motivation, everything. So how do we get this done? Let's get into the protocol. It's a simple, actionable 3-phase plan. It's simple. We start with 2 weeks in the foundation phase to set your baseline. Then weeks 3 through 8 are for testing. This is where we calibrate and track. And from week 8 on, it's all about optimization, maintaining and advancing. Phase 1. These are the non-negotiables. First, get baseline blood work done. We need to know total T, free T, SHBG, cortisol, and LH. Second, you have to get at least 7.5 hours of sleep. And third, start a daily meditation or breathwork practice. You have to get that cortisol down. And here's the starter supplement stack. 1 gram of Tongkat Ali. Make sure it's standardized to 2% uric. Add 30 milligrams of zinc picolinate. And finally, 6 to 10 milligrams of boron, taken with a healthy fat. This stack works. Hey, quick pause. If you're getting value from this 2026 protocol, a like and subscribe costs you absolutely nothing. But for us, it's fundamental. It helps us know what's working for you. Stick with us. We're just getting into the good stuff. All right, moving into phase 2. This is all about data. Start tracking your HRV with an Oura Ring or a Whoop, and your nutrition has to be on point. Get 35 to 40% of your calories from healthy fats, 1 gram of protein per pound of lean mass, and time your carbs right around your training sessions. For training, it needs to be specific. 3 times a week, heavy compound lifts, no exceptions. And to make sure we're on track, you're going to use a cortisol saliva test every 2 weeks. That's your feedback loop right there. Okay, so a handful of supplements and a few days at the gym. I mean, is that really enough to move the needle? It sounds a little basic. It's basic because it's what works. The data is crystal clear on this. 90% of men, 9 out of 10, hit optimal levels with just these interventions. You don't need extreme measures. And this is the target we're shooting for. We want to see your total testosterone sitting between 550 and 800 nanograms per deciliter. That's the sweet spot. That's the optimal zone for feeling great. Now, for that 10% who might hit a plateau, we have advanced options. We can look at a higher Tongkat Ali dose, or even medical therapies like Kyzatrex or the PT141 peptide. But listen, and this is important, these absolutely require a doctor's supervision. Don't go it alone. Look, you can't be going for blood tests every single week. So how do you track your progress day to day? You need your own personal dashboard. And this is it. This is your real-time dashboard. These are the things you can actually feel. Are morning erections consistent again? How's your daily energy and drive? Is your HRV trending up? These are the real biomarkers that tell you it's working. So that's the entire protocol. It's a complete system, right? It connects your hormones, your brain, and your lifestyle. It puts you squarely back in the driver's seat. If you remember one thing, make it this mantra: eat smart, test often, optimize forward. That's how you take back control of your own biology.
All right, now we want to hear from you. We want to see the data. What's your age and what's your free T number? Drop it in the comments below. Let's get a conversation going.